गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है स्टेट लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी। जैसा कि हम हमारे प्रीवियस लेक्चर में भी पढ़ चुके हैं कि लीगल एड के प्रोग्राम्स और स्कीम्स को इफ़ेक्टिव मॉनिटरिंग के लिए लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटीज़ एक्ट 1987 नेशनल स्टेट एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी क्रिएट करता है और इससे ये एक्ट इन अथॉरिटी को एक स्टैट्यूटरी सैंक्शन देता है। और इन अथॉरिटीज़ का, इन बॉडी का क्या काम है? टू इम्प्लीमेंट लीगल एड प्रोग्राम एंड स्कीम्स। So today we are going to discuss about state legal service authority. So under section 6 of the Legal Service Authority Act, state government has been empowered to constitute a body, that is state legal service authority, and this authority shall be composed of patron in chief, who shall be the Chief Justice of the High Court. A serving or retired judge of the High Court, who shall be nominated by the governor in consultation with the Chief Justice of High Court, who shall be its executive chairman. So first is patron in chief, who shall be the Chief Justice of the High Court. Now second is executive chairman, who shall be the serving or retired judge of the High Court, to be nominated by governor in consultation with Chief Justice of High Court. And other members of the state legal service authorities shall be nominated by the government in consultation with Chief Justice of the High Court, and their experience and qualifications shall be prescribed by state government. So state legal service authority shall composed of patron in chief, who shall be the Chief Justice of the High Court. Secondly, executive chairman, who shall be the serving and retired judge of the High Court. Third, other members of the authority shall be appointed by the state government in consultation with Chief Justice of High Court. Now, state government, after consulting with the Chief Justice of the High Court, will appoint a person from the state higher judicial services, and that person should not be lower the rank that of district judge as a member secretary. So now state government will appoint a person belonging from state higher judiciary, not lower in rank that of district judge, as a member secretary. Next is the term of office and other condition of member secretary or members of state authority shall be prescribed by the state government in consultation with Chief Justice of High Court. And the salary and allowances of the state allowances of the members or member secretary of the state authority shall be prescribed by the state government in consultation with Chief Justice of High Court. Next, the administrative expenses of the state authority, including their salaries, allowances and pension payable to the member secretary, officers or other employees of the state authority, shall be defrayed out of the consolidated fund of state. So this shall be taken out of the consolidated fund of state or provided from the consolidated fund of the state. So this was the composition of and other terms and condition of state legal service authority, which will see the effective monitoring of legal aid programs and schemes within the particular state. Now second is under section 8, the function of state legal service authority has been mentioned. So the first function of the state legal service authority is to give effect to the policy and direction of central authority. So it will follow the direction of the central authority. Second, to give legal service to person who satisfy the certain criteria laid down under section 12 of this act. We have already gone through this, who are eligible for free legal services under Legal Service Authorities Act. So section 12 talks about the persons who are entitled for free legal service authority. Free legal service under Legal Service Authorities Act. Next is State Legal Service Authority will conduct Lok Adalat, including Lok Adalat for High Court cases. Next is undertake preventive and strategic legal aid programs. So it will take in legal aid programs time to time for providing free legal services. Perform such other function as the state authority may in consultation with state central authority fixed by regulations. And under section 8 of Legal Service Authorities Act, state authority shall act in coordination with other governmental or non-governmental organization and subject to the directions given by the central authorities. So, state authority is going to coordinate with the activities of governmental agencies or non-governmental voluntary social services institutions, universities or other bodies who are engaged in promoting the cause of legal services to the poor and shall be guided by the directions of central authority. Now, the next is under section 8A, High Court Legal Service Committee has been created for the same purpose, for promoting the legal aid programs and schemes. So, state authority, we have already discussed the state authority under section 6 of this act. So, state authority shall constitute a committee to be called High Court Legal Service Committee for every High Court. Now, this committee shall be composed of a sitting judge of the High Court who shall be its chairman. Secondly, such member or other members possessing such experience and qualification as may be determined by the state authority and to be nominated by the Chief Justice of the High Court. Next, the Chief Justice of the High Court shall appoint a secretary to the committee. Now, the committee may appoint such number of officers and other employees as may be prescribed by the state government after consulting with Chief Justice of the High Court for the efficient discharge of its function. So, that's all for today. Now, we have discussed about state legal service authorities, its composition and its functions. Simultaneously, we have discussed about High Court Legal Service Committee, its composition and its function. Thank you.